Welcome to Unicorn Storytime. My name is Clara, and today we're reading Hiccup by Mike Hurwitz. And remember when we read the other books that are balloon tunes? You can watch those too. Hiccups for breakfast. Rise and shine, Jamie. It's the big day of your school play. Jamie's not here. Would you like to leave a message? Speak at the beep. Time to get a move on, Jamie. Jamie who? School is canceled. It was on the news. Why so worried? What if I forget my lines, or fall off the stage, or explode? Look, I made your favorite breakfast. Oh boy, I guess I could eat one teeny bite. Munch, munch, munch. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Hiccup. Uh-oh. Hiccup, hic, 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 hic. By golly, that's a monster case of hiccups. Last time, you had the hiccups. You had the hiccups. It lasted for 2 whole days. Hic! My play will be ruined. I'm sure you'll figure something out. Hey, the bus is here. Good luck. Hic, hic. I'm doomed. Hic. Hiccups on the bus. Hic. Yikes, Jamie. I will cure you. The show must go on, for I am Jenna and the big star. Oh no. No, not on the day of my big play, and I am in big trouble. Hic. Attention everyone, Jamie has the hiccups and we need a cure. I've got an idea. Wait, hic, 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 hic. I've got an idea. Hold your breath for 6 minutes. 6? Come on, try it. He didn't do it right. Too bad. Totally. Drink 10 gallons of water. Close one eye and cover one ear. Spin around for 30 minutes. Pour soda on your head. Hold your tongue for an hour. Eat 100 jalapeno peppers. Say the alphabet backwards. Hic, none of the hiccup cures works. Hic, we're doomed. Hic. Don't be silly. I've got plenty of ideas. We're just getting started. Come on, let's ask Mr. Beakerbottom. He knows everything. He's the super genius. The Hic Begun 3000. Mr. Beakerbottom, we have a big problem. I can solve any problem. What is it? Hic. I see. You need a cure to cure your hiccups. Only a genius could do that. Hic. Luckily, you're talking to one. Behold my cabinet of curiosities. These are my greatest inventions. Cool. Awesome. And this is the Hic Begun 3000. The extra super fast spinning action makes hiccups fly away. Just so you know, I get carsick a lot. There's nothing to worry about. Now, fasten your seatbelt. Hic, this is really weird. Hic, I feel so dizzy. My brilliant plan worked. Jamie is cured. Hic, 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 hic. I see. Maybe you need to spin faster. That's okay. Thanks. Coach Bloat. Hic, the school's strongest man in school. I have a better idea. Let's ask Coach Bloat. The hiccup market. Coach Bloat, we need your help. Wait, don't tell me. I'm great at guessing. Hic. Your dog ate your gym shorts. The baseball balls are too round. There's bologna in your tennis shoes. Jamie has the hiccups. I've got it. Jamie has the hiccups. Hick. Looks like it's time for Coach Blitz Super Sports Gear. I'm really more into video games. Hick. Not anymore. Let's go. That's it. Hold that pose. Hick, hick, hick. Keep the chin up. Pump those knees. Now slam dunk and you're cured. Hick, 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 hick. Sorry, sport. There's always next season. Hick. Ring. Lunchtime. Let's go ask Lunch Lady Linda. Cool. Hick. Can I get tater tots? Hiccups for lunch. Hick. Lunch Lady Linda, Jamie has the hiccups, and we need a cure. Don't worry, kiddo. Lady Linda's hiccup surprise never fails. You got a salad? Gross. Hey, no cunning. And that's some Slappy Joe mix. And a dash of chocolate mix, a glob of yesterday's meatloaf, a squirt of ketchup and mustard, toss in broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and mix, mix, mix. Try it. No way, this smells like wet socks. Hick. Jamie, we need to do this for the play. Here. I'll try it with you. Really? Thanks, Jenna. Match. Hick, hick, hick. Wait, maybe you didn't have enough. Want some more? No thanks. I'm going to ruin the play. Don't give up yet. We're smart. If we put our heads together, we'll think like one brain. Hick, hick. Any ideas? Nope. Hick. Oh no, it's time for the play. Gasp. Hick. Maybe changing your costume will cure you. Wow, we're totally out of ideas. Hick. Hiccups on stage. Oh no, my starting moment will be ruined. And look at the crowd. Hick. Wow. Think, Jenna. Think. What should really scare Jamie's hiccups away? I've got it. There's just enough time for a good luck kiss. Gross. Hick. No way. Ah. Hick. Hey, where do you go? Hick. Don't be a baby. There you are. Hick. Eek. Hick. Don't be a baby. Ah. Smooch. I have Cutie's girl dress. Yuck! It's slime. Call the doctor. Blech. Wait a second. My hiccups are good. The star has cured you. Let's do the show. A hiccup-free performance. Bravo! Encore! Hooray! We did it, and it was the big start. I'm so excited. Hick, hick! Uh-oh. Hick, 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 hick! Rats! Now I have the hiccups, but at least I know the cure. Wait, stop. I have another idea. Hick, 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 hick. Climb Mount Everest. Look a frog. Chew bubblegum upside down. Grow a mohawk. Dance like a chicken. Put underwear on your head. Anything but kisses. The end. Thank you for watching.